Hi, I'm Hanif. I'm going to show you how to make a Shakerato coffee. You will need 2 shots of espresso, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of caramel, slices of orange, and a container filled with ice cubes or crushed ice. First, pour in your 2 shots of espresso. Next, your tablespoon of honey. Next, your 2 tablespoons of caramel syrup. And then squeeze 1 slice of orange. And then close your container and shake about 60 seconds. You don't need a shaker for this drink. You can also use a clear container or a mason jar. Shake. After 60 seconds, pour the coffee into a serving cup or a glass. As a finishing touch, I like to add an orange slice onto the drink. And that's how you make a Shakerato coffee.